You're chilling in your room. You're playing Roblox. Now you want to watch some television. If you want to watch some television, then you got a ring on your phone saying there's a civil emergency. This was a civil warning. You check on your phone and you found this. You are so panicked. You check on the TV and this popped out. This is one of your freaks. You don't know what's happening. Well, there is one happening. A mysterious entity is coming for you. Your life is at risk. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. One of the civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning. If you want instructions, go to radio 1.14 or POWA system. Please follow instructions or continue the TV to follow more instructions. Did you hear that? That was a civil emergency. You shouldn't go to TV for more instructions. Maybe there's more instructions on the radio. Go check it out in 1.14a. Come on. Okay, you said. Alright, let's check the radio, I said. Emergency. 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 There is a warning for the following cities: Florida City, Michigan, and Miami. Please find shelter. There is a red tornado coming for you. It's very dangerous to go outside. Strong winds might able to pull you, and you can cause death. Please survive. I hope you survive on this survive. Did you hear that on the radio? I said, yes. You said, let's check in a few hours. I said, okay. You said, not a test. Please follow instructions on our radio or 1.14 or 1.14a, which is our radio. Please listen to instructions. A red tornado is coming for you. Might recipient death. Everyone, please evacuate now. Holy crap, this is terrible. It sounded as well on outside. I said, no, now we're gonna be in danger of the red tornado. You said, wait, it's red and the blood is red. Wait, we're discovering the blood tornado? I said, why, what? You said, warning, now we discovered. The weather forecasters has been reported. There's a red tornado, known as blood tornado. Please follow instructions to save your life. They might kill you. Run. Save your life. I said. Okay, you said. We went down to the basement. You and me. On the basement. Seriously? I said. Really, there's no one on the basement. How are we gonna save people until we're the present godless? You said. I don't know, I said. Maybe we can check up on above. I said. Wow, no, we're not going outside again. Outside is just whooping woo. Whooping woo. Like the sirens. Yes. You said and I said. I want to say something to you. I said. What is it? We're all gonna die outside, okay? You donkey head. I said. No, you said. Sorry. I'm not gonna tell you. Run! I said. 2 hours later, after the blood tornado arrives. We issued an all-clear message. The blood tornado has left. I repeat, the blood tornado has left. It's free to leave outside and or basement. Thank you. It was God that stopped this. Thank you, Jesus and God. We believe in you. Finally! God stopped the blood tornado, I said. Yay, we're free! You said. Yahoo! I said. We're free to escape! You said.